So, good morning. Welcome to Company Law and Secretarial Practice classes. In today's session, I am going to discuss you about winding up, its meaning and modes. Okay, let us see what is winding up. Winding up is the process by which company's life is brought to an end and its assets are administered for the benefits of its creditors and members. It means it's a process by which company's assets are realized and its liabilities are settled and any remaining assets are distributed to shareholders. So let us see what are the different modes of winding up of a company. There are primarily three modes of winding up of company. First one, winding up by the court, creditors voluntary winding up, members voluntary winding up. So let us discuss one by one. First one, winding up by the court. Winding up by the court, also known as compulsory winding up, is initiated by a petition presented to the court by certain parties such as creditors, contributories or the company itself. The court, upon being satisfied that grounds for winding up exist, issues a winding up order. So, here some procedures are there for winding up by the court. Here, a petition for the winding up is presented to the court by a creditor, contributory or the company itself. Then, the petition is advertised in the official gazette and newspapers to notify interested parties. Then, the court hears the petition and any objections raised by interested parties. If the court is satisfied that grounds for winding up exist, it issues a winding up order. Then, the court appoints an official liquidator or a provisional liquidator to take control of the company's assets and conduct the winding up process. Next, the liquidator realizes the company's assets, pay off its liabilities and distributes any remaining surplus among the members. Last, once the winding up process is complete, the court issues an order dissolving the company. The next one is creditors voluntary winding up. It is initiated by company's members when the company is unable to pay its debts. In this mode, creditors have the significant role in the winding up process. So let us see the procedures for creditors voluntary winding up. First, the company passes a resolution for voluntary winding up. Then, a meeting of the creditors is convened to approve the winding up and nominate a liquidator. Then, the creditors and the company may nominate a liquidator. If they nominate different persons, the creditor's nominee prevails. Next, the creditors may appoint a committee of inspection to oversee the liquidator's actions. After that, the liquidator realizes the company's assets and pay off its liabilities and distributes any remaining surplus among the members. Finally, the liquidator convenes a final meeting of the members and creditors to present an account of the winding up. After the meeting, the liquidator files the account with the registrar of companies and the company is dissolved. Then third one is members voluntary winding up. Actually, this is initiated by the company's members when the company is solvent and able to pay its debts in full. This mode is typically used when the company has achieved its objectives or when the members decide to discontinue the business. So let us see what are the procedures for members voluntary winding up. First one is declaration of solvency. Here directors make a declaration of solvency, then company passes a resolution for voluntary winding up, then the members appoint a liquidator to conduct the winding up process. Then the liquidator realizes the company's assets, pay off its liabilities and distributes any remaining surplus among the members. Then last, the liquidator convenes a final meeting of the members to present an account of the winding up. After the meeting, the liquidator files the account with the registrar of companies and the company is dissolved. Okay, thank you.